Hi friends, I'm Jeffrey Rodriguez, makeup artist, here with my friend Lee Kelly.
Hi.
And today we're going to use Neutrogena's Healthy Skincare line, starting with the primer. Lee, this is a great tip for you. Always start with the primer. This will allow the makeup to stay on longer, give you a nice even glide, and give you some sunscreen as well. About a pea-sized drop is all we need for this half of the face. I've already done this half of your face as well. And how does that feel so far?
Feels great.
It
You don't have anything on.
It looks like you have nothing on, which is great. And we can see you do have a little bit of redness. So this is the perfect product for you because it's great for sensitive skin and very, very gentle to wear. Gliding over the whole area of the face where I'm going to apply the foundation. Beautiful. And this should also feel very light. So that's great.
That's good.
Next, we're going to use Neutrogena's Healthy Skin Liquid Foundation. This is shade Nude number 40. It's a very sheer coverage, light, rich formula. This is probably more than we need. This is maybe about a dime size is what you need because we've already done half of your face. Okay. If you have sensitive skin, I think it's always good to use a brush, especially if it's synthetic. This is going to allow you to give you a little lighter pressure on the skin. Sometimes when you press too hard, it can create redness on the skin. So a light brush like this.
I didn't know that.
Yes, good tip for you.
Yeah.
Because you are prone to getting a little bit of redness.
Definitely.
And most women do a lot of pressure on their face, more than typically than we need. For the areas where you have more redness, I'll concentrate the application, but with the same pressure. I'm just going to finish off gliding with the sponge. Lightly, softly, and on the draw line here, always go downward. Great tip for when you're on camera. Gorgeous. That looks great. Beautiful and perfectly natural.
That's
Love
good.
that. The next step is this is a tongue twister, the Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. I love this product though, even though I can't quite say the name perfectly. It's a great product because it gives you a little bit of extra coverage and also a little brightening for around the eye, which makes you look healthy, young, and vibrant. How's that?
Sounds good.
Work this from the outside inward like you apply an eye cream.
You're just patting?
Patting it on, very soft. This has a brush tip applicator, which you can use as well, but you might control the application better by dabbing it on and then applying with the fingertip or a sponge. If you do use your finger, pinky or ring finger only, especially around the eyes, and work from the outside inward. Lee, this looks great. I think this is a perfect shade for you. Your skin looks radiant, beautiful. I'm Jeffrey Rodriguez. Thanks for watching.